Hey, let me show you how we can charge Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, and we've got actually multiple methods to charge this device. First of all, we can for sure use the wireless charger. There we go. So close it. With the both earbuds inside, put it on the charger and the indicator will turn orange. There's also option to charge them wireless with your phone. So in my phone, I can actually find the reverse wireless charging. You will have to search for your phone, for this function in your phone, and you can actually put it on the back on your phone, and you will also get this orange indicator, which means that you are charging your device. Of course, you can use the wired method. So I've got here the USB-A into the USB-C cable, and you don't have to actually use this original cable that comes with these earbuds. If you lost it, I don't know, if you are on trip and you forgot the cable, you can use any other USB-C cable. You can plug it right here, and this second end of the cable you can plug almost everywhere into the charging brick, like this one for example. I'm using the Huawei power adapter. You can plug it into the PC, laptop, game console. Also you can plug it into your phone. Take a look. And you will start charging your device. For sure you can use the brick as I said before. And yeah, that will be all the quick information for you. Right now please subscribe to my channel.